Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to Ms. Shaslin. Today I will present about final assignment, a case study on commercial area in Sri Utama Business Center in Segamat. So the first is introduction. This project show the environment in the study area by creating various components. Among them, creating, managing, visualizing, and analyzing data in the study area. The system can also study the study area in terms of area, height, and type. It is important to note that most data set can be found in the study area. So the aim is the produce hybrid map in the study area. The second is objective, get analysis of the study area. The second is can count the area, and third is can create a thematic map. So last is scope of study. The scope of the study shows the using hybrid map on site to analyze the study area that based and represent in the browser table that displayed as digitized map. So next page is 2.0 is designing ER diagram. The first is conceptual. Before that is there are 3 stages on designing ER diagram. The first is conceptual model. This second part is logical model, and third is physical model. So now I will present the conceptual model. The conceptual model is a core of spatial data model design, which is used to define some rules for representing attributes of spatial model. In this conceptual model, there are 3 entities represent Sri Utama Business Area database such as commercial, route, and boundaries. The second is a logical data model, describe the data in as much detail as possible. Further of a logical data model include as diagram below. Attribute name, attribute data type, and attribute constraints where file in each data to is when browser table bool in MyInfo. The third is physical model. Physical model represent how the model will be put in the database, convert all the entities into table, and convert all attributes into column. The next page is 3.0 is developing a GIS database. The study area is located at Sri Utama Business Center, Segamat. This area consists of one hypermarket, which use center hypermarket. This hypermarket is the core of the center. The center is surrounded by residential areas like Kampung Gubah, Taman Utama, Kampung Tengah, Taman Segamat Utama, and many more. This next page is 3.1, stage of developing database. The first is creating a base map. The second is inserting attributes from ER diagram. The third is digitizing, and 4 is layout window. Next page is layout about commercial. Layout for building a commercial. The first is commercial browser, and then commercial browser table. Second is root browser table, and third is boundary browser table. Next page is 4.0 GIS geospatial analysis. Okay, what does it? Okay, to identify the road condition, commercial activity level 1, and the lot size in Sri Utama Commercial Center, Segamat. Individual thematic mapping is the most suitable thematic mapping. It is because it is easier to identify and analyze how many type of activity in study area. So now, this is a step to create thematic map, and my result, thematic mapping about the route condition. The second is activity level 1, and third is lot size. The next page is 4.2, where does it locate? The study area is located in Sri Utama Business Center, Segamat, which 10 km from my house. The business center had been chosen because many shops were open lately from White Elephant building for almost 2 years. It's something interesting to discover and analyze center. The next page is 4.3. Why does it happen? This issue about my issue is there are mostly food and beverage lots in this commercial area. So how many? So this question is how many cafe lots in activity level 1? So is I got from a simple select. So I select record from table commercial, and that safety is activity level 1 and then cafe, and last is a browser result and click OK. And the 16 cafe at level 1 in the commercial area. This commercial area has many cafes to provide to the residents. Many cafes were put like hipster style to attract customer to come to this area. The second is how many restaurant lots in activity level 1. So I open the simple select and select record from table commercial, and that safety is activity level 1 and restaurant. So I tick to browse result and click OK. So there 14 restaurant at level 1 in the commercial area. As the commercial area where white elephant for several years, open a restaurant is not a good move. But when there are many restaurants open here, the commercial area is slowly growth and cool to attract customer to come. And last is how many vacant lots in activity level 1. So simply select from table is commercial. The safety is activity level 1 to NA. And then store result table selection, and last is tick to browse result and click OK. So there 60 vacant lots at level 1 in the commercial area. From the past 3 years, there are 70% vacant, assuming that for the next month, the vacant lots will fill with food and beverage type of commercial. Okay, the next page is conclusion. As a conclusion, the study area did have many potential to be developed. All the vacant lots need to improve and shall be developed so that the commercial will become lively and can attract more people with good environment. A suitable commercial area can be achieving the requirement needs and fulfilling. My info tool of GIS is useful for making computerizing mapping and collect data, which is spatial analysis. My info can also make work easier to gain the information and order by using thematic mapping, query analysis, and how to digitize, and many more. Thank you.